Hey everybody, how are you doing? Well, get out your Dollar Tree goods that you bought, especially your truck. I'm using this one today with a little bunny butt. This is going to be cute to alter. You're going to need your cereal box, some scrapbook paper, tissue paper, whatever kind you want. I'm doing the Mackenzie child, and we are going to revamp these two pieces today. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do with this is I put this down onto my cereal box and traced around, and then just finished it off the way I saw fit, because I'm going to make my Easter eggs so they're more dimensional on here. Okay, so I'm going to take the same pattern that's here, but I will put them in different spots here, and then I'll show you how I'm going to do the bunny butt. First thing I'm going to do is I'm taking this off because I'm not using this part, but keep this because you can use it for something else. So I'm just cutting off the Happy Easter. So now all we have here is our truck. Now, in my family room, this is working out perfect for me because my color that I'm using primarily with the Mackenzie child, which is the black and white, is pink. Okay, so this is perfect. I don't have to do anything to the truck itself. Okay, all I'm doing is this part. So let's take off that as well, because I'm not going to be using that. Remember, you always have this side. That's your clean slate if you want to do something different on this side. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and cut the egg that was a waste. I should have done it over to the side, but I can't tell you what good chipboard cereal boxes give. I mean, you pay a lot of money if you go into the store and buy this. I mean, this is good chipboard. So keep your cereal boxes. Okay, so now I have the egg, and we're just going to cut that out. Now you're not probably going to be using the whole egg, as far, you know what I mean? Okay, so, okay, it's a little bit shorter than these, but that's okay, because I'll only be using half at certain times. So, okay, now that I have one cut out, I'll come in and make a few more, okay, to finish this off. And then once I get those cut out, then we will cover them the way we want to cover them. Okay, so now we have the eggs cut out, the cardboard, and what we're going to do now is we're going to cover them. So I'm going to use some of my scrapbook paper to cover these. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and trace these, okay, onto the paper or tissue paper I want to use, and then I'll be back. You know what I forgot? I forgot about my contact paper from Dollar Tree. Use that too. That goes really pretty with the courtly check and the stripes and the harlequin. Really does. So anyway, all right, so here we are. And I have the eggs. Okay, I have all the paper cut out. And now I'm going to just adhere them to the cardboard. I might make one more. And then when I get done with that, I'll come back and we will put them together, and then I'll show you what I'm going to use for the bunny butt. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop these eggs up so they're dimensional to a certain point. And I'm just using these Stampin' Up! That I've had forever. And these aren't very thick, so I'm going to add a couple to each. I'm not going to keep you on this camera while I'm doing this because it's going to take a minute to get the paper off and get them on, but as soon as I do that, I'll be back. Okay, so I have the pop-up dots now, and I put a few higher than others so the eggs would go up a little bit more than other ones. So what I'm going to do, I think I'll take that one, and then put that one there. Put that one there. Okay, and then I think I'm going to cut a little circle and put these, the Harlequin, in for the hubcaps. Okay. And I'll make another one. What I'm using for the bunny butt is a bunny butt. And I made these a few years back, and I put them inside of terracotta pots, if you follow me. But what I'm going to do, and I'm going to leave this little butterfly on there. So I'm going to take it, and I'm just going to glue and squish it down in there. But how cute is that? Then I'm going to put a couple eggs where the feet are so you don't see that. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to take apart these eggs from this, and you never know, I might have somewhere to put this top part, or maybe next year I'll have somewhere that I want to put it. I don't know yet. But these are very easy to take off. They just come right off. And I'm going to use this side so I don't have to mess with this. Plus, if I ever want to use it this way, I can. All right. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take, again, just like we did the truck, I'm going to take some paper, trace around it, and when I'm done, I'll be back. Okay, so I traced out a couple. I just put this down and traced to this, and then I traced one on this, and I think I'm going to trace another one on the polka dot on the tissue paper. Okay, so I'm using 3 different papers. I'm using tissue paper, scrapbook paper, and contact paper. If you want, you could even use fabric. Okay, so I'm going to cut these out, and then we'll put them together. Okay, well, I like these so much that I wanted to do more because I think I want to put some of these on my mantle. So, since I only had 4, what am I going to do? You're right, you guessed it. I'm going to trace more and cover more of these. So I'm just going to take the pencil, go around, cut them out, cut out some more of the scrapbook paper, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to take the glue stick, and here's some more eggs. I just did a little bit more. You can see the stripe, another polka dot. I love this with this combination. So I'm going to go ahead, take my glue stick, and I'm sure y'all know how to glue onto something with the glue stick. So I'm not going to, I just don't film stuff that is just a waste of your time and time on my camera. You know what I mean? There's no sense in it. I'd rather keep the time to show you something maybe that you would like to see other than just gluing. So I will be back once this is all put together and glued together. Okay, so here is the car, and I just put a couple butterflies that are colorful and then left the pink, and here's the eggs. And again, you will see this in my Easter home tour where I put this. Also, these eggs I took off from where they were hanging, and I'll keep this because I might use this for something else. But the eggs I put all the different papers on and tissue paper and made a couple extra out of a cereal box. You'll also see those where I end up putting them. So guys, get out your paper, cut out some eggs, and you can add this to your Easter decor if you like the Mackenzie Child. If you like something else, put those kind of papers onto it. Until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.